Okay, this is more news. Issue 6. There has to be more to explore. Right, Sam? Say it, Sam.
There has to be more to explore.
You're right. He said there has to be more to explore. So we're going back down, venturing back into retracing our steps back where the blood was found. So we're going to look where that blood came from. Got it? Right, Sam?
Right.
Too much weed.
Ow.
Is this the blood?
Yep. This is the blood.
Where'd it come?
I'm Gandalf.
Oh,
the
from
wizard.
there. From there.
Okay, whatever, Gandalf. Found it. Dumbledore.
It's blood, all right. Let's keep moving.
Hey,
Okay.
look at.
Ah!
Ah. I saw a balloon up.
Whoa,
look, it's glass.